Anyways, welcome to UTV Solutions with my fault, fool. You know, my introduction is early in the morning. You guys gotta understand, it's hard. So right now, bro, I got the do-wipes and shit. We get the shit because we're on the way to fucking Arizona, guys. We're headed to SDR Racing. We're gonna get some stuff done to the Kawasaki. They contacted us. They want to work with us. So guess what? Who are we to tell them no? So we're headed on a road trip, guys. Y'all better be ready. It's gonna be a fun time. And fuck, I don't know. Just show you guys, enjoy the fucking trip, guys. My fault, bye.
Ready. Here we are, getting a cage for looning. Why lie?
What fool?
Like fuck.
Hey, this fool up in a fucking sick one today, fool.
Hey, hey, they said to show up to fucking Texas like that, dog.
You guys heard right. My boy here, next Texas 2K,
got the setup, dog.
we're gonna pull up with a fucking Mino rig and a fucking, the whole SDR Motorsports. Even UTV Solutions, fuck it.
Shit! What's the price tag on one of these fuckers?
Just in case you're not gay, it's like 65,000. And if you're gay, 64,000.
Blow me, bitch.
This has no battery.
We'll go get a battery.
Nigga, at the shop.
Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna go fuck them. Make sure the chain, everything's good. The straps, because we don't want what happened the other day.
Oh, that shit fell off, dog.
Oh, mom, the keys are in the cup holder.
So now what? Keep going. Who left them there?
162. You got fucking fill up right.
What kind of shit is this, bro? Like, you're a fucking owner of a shop, bro. You can't be doing that type of shit.
I don't use this fucking invoice generator, big dog.
Generate this dick, big dog.
Nothing, bro. I believe in white boy, bro. People like Eminem, bro. Like, what lie?
Eminem suck dick.
Like, fuck.
Nigga, what? Flaquito loves it in the butt.
Like, fuck. So right now we're in the first gas station stop. Fool, I just did that over there, bro. Like this. Fool, can you let me, please? See, this is the problem why I can't bring you around, fool. Anyways, guys, so we're at the first gas station stop. We're gonna go ahead and fill up the Denali, hit the big road. We're headed to Mesa, Arizona. Right now, I need to get me like a fucking sick one, like a fucking like 2 Red Bulls right now, like wake my ass up real quick.
Chocolate, huh?
I know, fool, for sure, bro. It's a Milky Way spot. We're sick, fool. Fool, it's fucking this white boy, dog. She leaves at home. What are you getting, George? Come on, fool, let me record you. Let me record you now. Look, guys, look. Red Bull. I'm gonna get 2 of them, actually. Watch out, fool.
No, Unc's gonna shit himself.
Hey, watch out, fool. Hey, look at that fucking Cowie, though, fool.
Hey, the cow is always behind something, huh?
Always, that's just slow.
Hey, how?
It's choke quality, fool. Hey, Flaquito, let's go to the casino one. To gamble one.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm ready to gamble right now. All right, guys. So, I'm fucking tired, fool. I'm gonna go to sleep for a little bit. Just make sure you guys don't record me, all right? I just noticed I have a pimple, dog. Like, is that camera fake?
His butthole.
Oh shit, what's up, fools? Hey guys, so right now we're in Phoenix, Arizona. We just got from UTV Stereos. Like literally, guys, they just called us about 724. Here's the address, UTV Stereo. So they want us to stop by. We're gonna go pay them a visit. For some reason, they found out we're in Phoenix. Hey, bro, where you at? I'm like, shit, I'm in Phoenix. Like, what's up? You want to come through? I'm like, fuck it, let me slide through, you know? We're gonna go check what's up with them. We might be running a UTV Stereo sound system on the H2. Fuck, I'm hungry, fool.
for dick.
Why? Like, why are we talking about buttholes and shit?
I don't know. That's what they're doing,
You know,
bro.
like, I'm just driving. I'm gonna get you to your destination.
I appreciate you, that
and
shit.
you're
I
gonna-
really
you're gonna
appreciate
do
you,
what
friend.
you gotta do
Definitely.
because I'm a morning person and you're a late person. So,
Yeah, and they're being gay, and I get
took
it.
the time out here.
In other words, you're lazy as fuck.
And I appreciate
I
you.
really am.
That's what he's trying to say.
No, he is. He's right.
Chromosomes.
Yo, what's up? What's up, guys? So we're right here in Mesa, Arizona. We're here. We came to visit the homies from UTV Stereos. They hit me up in the morning, like we said earlier. So we're here. We're gonna see what they're talking about, and yeah.
Like, fuck.
Albert,
Nice to meet you.
my friend.
Nice to meet you. Colby.
Am I for record?
Oh, go ahead.
All right, perfect. All right, guys. So we're here at UTV Stereos. Damn, look at this, guys. It's crazy in here. Look at this. Look at this Pro R, bro. Look at this Pro R. Shitting all over my boy Steven's. Fuck. My friend from UTV Stereo is handing me the first swag bag, fools. Yeah, y'all heard it right. They're going to be doing custom sound system for the Kawasaki. They're already working on it. Crunch time. We're getting ready for the sand show. So y'all already know we got to have them hot boy gears. And here it is, bro. Give us a little bit of information, bro.
We're jumping right on the H2, trying to get an audio solution. My guys here are going to probably be the first one with an aftermarket sound system in this car. You're going to be able to see it at the sand show. We'll have our car there as well. We're going to be handing these out at the sand show with any purchase or any of our long-term existing customers, so make sure and stop by. It's pretty cool. We got a hat, face mask. Check this out. Phone charger with the UTV Stereo logo.
Yo.
Everybody needs that.
Snap koozies are fresh. There's more, don't worry. Sunglasses, we won't open those, but they're nice. Power bank phone charger, everybody needs those. Perfect for the trails. Air freshener, beanie, catalog and stickers. A fabric backpack.
You see that, fools?
Hooking these guys up.
Make sure you buy from great companies like themselves. Look at all this. They knew I needed a hat, bro. Only if they knew my hat just flew off. But anyways, guys, we appreciate you guys. Y'all take care and y'all stay tuned. The hottest H2 is out. Y'all already know. UTV Stereos and UTV Solutions working together. My fault. We're right here at SDR, bringing them the Kawasaki. They're going to be working on a cage, grill, and a bunch of customizable stuff for this vehicle. 6-hour drive, guys. Yeah, 6-hour drive. Thanks to my friend here. He drove us here. We're gonna wait for Tim to get here. He's the person I'm talking to.
What's up, guys? Our boys from UTV Solution just showed up this morning. They've got their new H2 that we're getting ready to do some stuff to. So pay attention to our stories, pay attention to their stories. Follow us all the way up to the Sand Sports Show. We'll see you there. We might have some surprises in store.
We're gonna be leaving the H2 here with SDR. Y'all won't be seeing it for a while, but guess what? Like my friend said, y'all stay posted. Go check out their page, check out our page. We're gonna be updating you guys. Want to thank SDR for giving us the opportunity of working with us on this build. Like, fuck. There's always cheaper platforms, cheaper ways to go. Like, you got a lot of fabricators from, you're from Mexico, Mexicali, that do good work. They have the vision, but the material they use is not there. Somebody that's concerned of your safety and not just concerned of look. I can guarantee you their cages might be a little pricey, but it's worth every penny when it comes down to your life. So right now we made another stop at Goodyear, Arizona. We're out here where our buddies from Marshin Whips. They contacted us. They wanted to work together on the H2 build. So guess what, guys? They invited us to their house so we can go ahead and see their setup. Look at this crazy ass rig, bro. Like, hey, what's up, guys? I'm here with my friend from Marshin Whips.
How you guys doing? Mike from Marshin Whips.
So can you explain a little bit of what we got here? Like,
Yeah.
what do you specialize in mainly? What is the,
Yeah, so we specialize in safety whips for all your UTV needs. If you got construction trucks, we offer those as well. If you have a boat, we offer that as well. But mainly we stay in the UTV market. We have a lot of whips. We have various styles of whips. This is the big Mo's. If you guys are going to the Sand Sport Super Show, you guys will see those there. We got some tricks up our sleeve. I let Albert see some of the tricks today. All he'll be able to tell you is, it's coming.
Oh, it's coming. Now, y'all need to wait on the H2 because that one's going to be fitted with everything. Marshin Whips, everything, guys. And if you guys don't want to miss it, y'all better go to Sand Show and visit my boys from Marshin Whips.
If you guys miss us at Sand Sport Super Show, don't worry about it. In a couple weeks later, we'll be at UTV Invasion in Sunoco, Oklahoma. After that, we're moving on to Arkansas. So we'll be at Carter's Mud Park in Arkansas as well. And then after that, I think we head to Utah. So the Martians are on the run. So you guys will start to see this trailer. Albert's got a new shop happening out there in California. You'll see the Martians pull up on him. We got a little secret, and we'll have a little cookout there for you guys. So
y'all stay posted. The YouTube's gonna go crazy. We're gonna be hanging out with my friends from Marshin Whips. And you guys have a great day.
There's your X1 series rocket, right? That's your X1 series. Okay? So that's like your Ford work truck. That's like your basic truck, right? There's your X2 series. See the difference? This one also does turn signals and brake lights. So in our app, you can adjust this to whatever you want. Let's say you're turning left and it's all in your thing. You wire it to where it turns left. And I turn left. Everything on the left side is going to turn amber. I hit my brakes. I could have red, white, and blue, red, white, and green, whatever color I want. My whips could be doing all kinds of shit. Boom.
But
everything will turn red.
Your signal will turn into the color. Yeah, it's like
you can control what you want it to do. This is a 2811 RGB. Okay. This is exactly 5150. What everybody else carries. A lot of people carry the same RGB, but what my trick is up my sleeve is everything in house. As you can see, our bases, everything we put together ourselves. It's not exactly easy. Feel the quality of the wrap. Feel the quality of that wrap's not going to turn yellow after 6 months. It's just not going to. 5150s turn yellow. If you also look at, because the amount of RGBs, and what you guys will get in your shop is you'll get, that's pretty bright, but what you guys will get in your shop is you'll say, it'll go up to here or something like that, or it'll go up to here. Go in the settings and change the pixels. That's changing the pixels. So you got to know that this is 200 pixels right here on ours, because if you change it to like 400, well, your lights aren't going to be as bright because you're reading the pixels, you're reading the diameter of this with the lumens. And we have a lumen reader in here, and we actually do that so you can get the brightness, because everybody wraps a whip, and as you see, our V2s, our game changers, everything's different sizes.
Correct.
So you have to know your diameter with your LEDs in order to be able to understand your lumens.
Achieving the lumens, right? Correct.
Right. This one right here is the RGBW. This is the new one coming out.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, that's the difference. So now you guys, right away, when I plug it in, you can see a difference. But also, what this one does right here is brake light and turn signals as well.
Yeah.
So this one gets into what you want to do.
Yeah,
You don't want these.
Oh, okay.
You don't want these. This is the. Now your guys are show cars, right?
We're back home. We made it back safe. That's it, guys. That's everything. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. Wait for the update on the H2. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, XMR Looney, UTV Solutions, so you guys can keep up to date with whatever's going on the H2 build. And fuck, man, stay posted.